We're going to begin with the critical testimony in New York today. Former President Trump's criminal hush money trial and his former attorney Michael Cohen expected to take the stand. He's the fellow who paid $130,000 to adult film star Stormy Daniels just before the 2016 election. And prosecutors say this is the key part. He did it at the direction of Donald Trump. Cohen, not surprisingly, already facing attacks from the former president's lawyers. Robert Costa has been following this trial from the very beginning, and he joins us now. Bob, good morning.
Good morning. Michael Cohen once said he would take a bullet for the former president, but now he could be a crucial witness in this high-stakes criminal case confronting the Republican nominee.
I am being indicted for you.
Over the weekend, former President Donald Trump rallied supporters in New Jersey as the coming testimony of his former fixer and now critic becomes the focus of his criminal trial.
I'm kind of looking forward to it because, again, can't be finished with something unless you start it.
Michael Cohen is at the center of the prosecution's case, having handled the payment of $130,000 to adult film actress Stormy Daniels to keep her quiet about an alleged sexual encounter with Trump back in 2006, which he denies. The prosecution says Trump then engaged in election fraud by reimbursing Cohen to keep the information from coming out before the 2016 election. Trump denies those claims and said he did not know about the payments Cohen made to Daniels. During his civil fraud trial, where Cohen also testified, Trump made his feelings known.
He's not a credible witness.
Trump and his lawyers have repeatedly suggested Cohen is not a credible witness, having admitted lying to Congress and serving jail time on federal charges related to the payments.
Yes, I lied to Congress at the direction of, in coordination with, and for the benefit of Donald J. Trump.
In a CBS News interview last year, Cohen shot back.
And if there's anyone out there that thinks that that lie is going to prevent me from being the credible witness that I am, based on the documentation, the testimony, the emails, the recording, it's not going to happen.
An expected target for the defense, Cohen's vocal public and recent criticism of Trump, including on TikTok, where he appeared in a T-shirt with Trump behind bars.
And the only person who should be held accountable is this guy right here, not me.
All right, Bob, other than Cohen's testimony, what else are we expecting the prosecution to present in court today?
I've sat down with Michael Cohen over the past year several times, and he keeps saying that this is not about Michael Cohen and his credibility and his testimony. It's going to be about the checks that Donald Trump wrote in the Oval Office. It's going to be about documentation he has shared with prosecutors in terms of schedules, other papers going on throughout the Trump organization. So it'll be really intriguing to watch what beyond what he says, what will be shown to the jury today and this week.
Yeah, it's been interesting to watch, as I've been in the courtroom too, how clear that the jurors are about taking down notes, making sure they're paying attention, because it's a lot to cover when you're talking about documents, business records, in order to get a conviction.
I'll make sure I'll be taking notes today, too.
I'm sure you will be.
All right, Bob, thank you so much.